We're right here in Wingstop, you know.
We got
Fat ass already ate, you know.
I think we're in Spanish first. Why do you think we're in Spanish first? You gotta put that sign. Oh, baby.
Look out the way, wait.
Saludos, don Juan. Anda.
Ahorita vamos a sacar las guitarras.
Vamos a chillar.
Vamos a chillar ahorita. Vamos
I'm straight on the video. Compa handling. Oh, my coochie's straight way right now. Alright. So, sorry, call your phone. So it's a inline 6 GTR motor. You can tell it has dual headers. If you look down there, there's a turbo. Boat trans, everything cut. This is a long ram. This thing not even a short ram. I don't know what this is. The speaker for the turbo sounds. You see, this car is different, fool. You know how you put the NOS in the back? See, you just open it for just spray it in here. It straight gives you like 2K horsepower. Right here, this you lick it, fool, before every time you drive it, right? You lick it,
Is it?
and if it tastes good, then look.
So you gotta lick that too, man.
It took a piss.
Hey, what about this?
What?
What about this right here? That's a nice turbo or what?
That's the Pro Charger.
Oh,
That I bought like 2 days ago at AutoZone. Right here, the NOS runs through here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's fully built.
What goes in here?
You see when you get in the mood. Yeah, I'll leave that for another video.
Fucking cup on.
I'll leave that for another video. I can't say.
Rated R video.
Yeah, go into our adult channel,
Adult
18
channel?
and over. Yeah, I'll explain that what that's for later. You know what I mean?
What about here? How do you open this? What about here?
So that's the ECU.
Huh? Go.
That's right here, fool. Look, put your hands right here. This car is so hot, fool. Like, you know what I mean?
Where did they run to?
Huh?
Where did they run to?
It runs through all the tires, fool.
I have to ask something, wait. I have to ask something.
What?
Where's the blinker fluid, wait?
That's on my.
Oh, it called us on real quick. I think I need to.
We gotta go buy one. O'Reilly?
Yeah.
Fuck O'Reilly.
No. Let me call him real quick. All right. Shut up, dude. All right. This is AutoZone. I have him as Roger because that's the homie Roger right there. He works at AutoZone.
That's your plug?
Yeah.
Overnight?
Whoa, it's like right here. Fool. It's like over like 10 minutes.
Yo, what happened?
Is this AutoZone?
Nah, it's your girl's pad.
What?
What happened?
It's because I need some blinker fluid.
Your girl blinker fluid.
Yeah, it's because my GTR is running low right now. And, well, you know. Like, I almost crashed right now because the thing didn't blink. You know what I'm saying? I need some blinker fluid. Hook it up.
It's a blinker fluid?
Yeah.
I was AutoZone pues.
Yeah, it's because this thing was made in Korea, not in Japan. I don't know why. It's because, like, watch, when the cops stop us, they're going to think it's like a race car because it says Japan. But I put that so they could think it's Korea, you know?
Oh, bro?
Yeah. We probably put a bomb in there. Huh? Yeah.
Hey, fucking garbage. Huh? You're doing the dog.
Yeah. So, yeah. Hey, I'll call you back, though. All right? There.
What about the keys, wait?
Hold on. I'm making a review. So, no. Hold on. Let it cool for the supercharger. It's the supercharger is like on this side over here. All right.
Let's see what type of wheels.
The TEs.
How much horsepower?
Horsepower? At least 1,500.
What body kit does it have?
The Vader body kit?
Vader?
Yeah. A quad.
How much downforce does that wing have?
I can't say that because I don't know, but it has a lot. You know? So, hold on for right here. So right here,
How much does this shit have?
it adds like
5 horsepower.
500.
500?
It has we tried painting them because we were trying to go Fast and the Furious.
Yeah, man, body work.
Yeah, you know, easy DIY.
Yeah, why?
So we took off the GTR logos because we thought, you know, we might get arrested.
You wanna be a sleeper?
Yeah, it's a little sleeper. Open the hood. Do you have a dead body in here? No, you don't.
The hood?
You took it out. Huh?
The hood?
No, I mean, I know everything, so don't correct me. It doesn't even have blood in it.
You fucking idiot.
Altima. It's supposed to say 32, but
Skyline, right?
yeah. You see? Oh, here we go. So you watch. People think that this is like you come up to this, see that the NOS is activated. So
What about that hood scoop?
the whole scoop. Oh, that's my favorite part. I don't look under the hood, right? Don't show,
Oh, no?
show.
Alright.
So it's real because it's a rally car. We're thinking in putting one on the top right there. So when we get hot in the car,
How about that? What is that?
I think it might be some blinker fluid.
That's some blinker fluid.
We're gonna go ahead and
You gotta drink it, wait.
no, we're gonna install this real quick.
Install it?
Yeah. So like I said, goes right there. Oh, it's a little hot. I don't know if I could do it.
Alright,
I
now.
think I just spit it on top of the turbos, no?
Yeah. On top of the blinker, wait, what do you mean?
Dog, forgive me though. For sure.
Don't make the lights brighter too?
Yeah. Whoa, I'm feeling pretty good. I think we could go to the 1320 right now.
Let's go to FL2K
Yeah.
and World Cup.
Yeah, X Games. On the skate park.
Ooh, and then
We could even go Glamis with this.
This is actually built by TJ.
Oh, TJ Hunt?
Well, it was built by me, but I was building it with him, you know?
Oh, collab?
Yeah. And the 1320 guys, those fools.
When are you gonna upload the video then?
You see the government's like looking for us. I don't know if we could put that on. But yeah, this is a setup real quick. You know?
I fucking cut
Oh,
that
shit, I
video.
wasn't supposed
cut
to.
that shit out, dude.
Big turbo, you know. That's been it, guys. Subscribe. Well, we're gonna be collabing.
Why you always gotta be fucking littering?
We're rich, fool, so we could buy that. Like we could buy more of that.
Shout out to your old elementary.
Shout out. That's a prison. Man.
Oh, it's prison.
So yeah. Oh, we forgot this.
I thought it was an outro ring.
So there was like
Last
real quick.
thing.
So soon when we decide to tell something, these pull up. I can't show you that because that's for the next video.
Like the Dodge?
Yeah,
Like
I
the
was
Dodge?
littering.
like for the
Pick it up.
Cummins.
Alright, you picked it.
For the Cummins, you know how you like. So.
Is this car straight piped?
Oh yeah.
Does this car cause cancer in California? Oh, alright.
Alright, yeah.
Yo.
It's been your boys. Hey, for Chile, don't say that fool. That's 18 and older.
Alright, Taylor. There you guys.
Later.